You already know what it is. It's your boy Ryan, and welcome back to another video. So, guys, yes, you can see over here we have a gadget that is a power bank with me. Yes, I decided to go and get myself a power bank. Who doesn't need a power bank in this life? So, in this video, I'll be showing you the power bank itself. We'll be unboxing the power bank with you guys, and let's see how it works. So yeah, as you can see, that is me showcasing the power bank in its cover. Within it has good cover that is in black and green. I love the luminous. I love that luminous going on over there. So yeah, basically this is how it looks like. You can see the details there, the battery cell capacity, input 1, yes, and we have the front, that's the back, that's the back. So let's unbox, let's see what is inside. It's me unboxing it. Yes, let's see. It has good boxing. I can say the boxing is top notch for oraimo, and plus they have good quality gadgets. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what they have in store for us.